Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel VBA Automation for End User. I'm Manoj Mohan and here we have another automation learning video. In this video I'll show you how to collate data from multiple Excel files together into one master file. So I'll quickly create a design view. I'll quickly on the Excel page itself. This would be the front view of the automation which is viewable for user to interact with. So I'll have three buttons. One button will help user to locate the folder containing multiple files, and second button will help user to locate the master file. I'll name the button accordingly so that user understand what the button would function. Third button is our automation button, which will help collate the data from multiple files together into one, basically copying the data from individual files into the master file. So I'll set the property, name, caption, and word wrap to true. Pretty user friendly option. You can view the property and understand what it would function, or you can directly use it and see what the changes is being done on the button. The buttons which I have used are ActiveX button. This is how our front view would look. I hope it's okay. So now let's create three individual files containing different data. One is textual data. I'll name it as file 1. Similarly, second, numerical data. I'll name it as file 2. And third, Excel file containing dates. So I have three individual files, all containing different kind of data in it. And I also need to create a master file where I would be pasting all these individual segregated data in different files together. So here I am. So one more important step, I have created a folder, multiple file, and stored all the individual files into it. So now there are two ways to do this automation. One is through manually VBA coding. Second is to record our steps using macro recorder. So we have videos for both the options. I would leave the decision up to you. You can click on the I link above and choose the option you would like to go for. Thank you.